How to create Best Buy account. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to create yourself your Best Buy account, start off by searching for Best Buy in a preferred browser. In here, search for Best Buy official online store. To create your very own Best Buy account, select on the account option which is in the dashboard. After which, you can tap on create account to create yourself your very own Best Buy account. Now to start off, enter your first name, your last name, email address, password, and your mobile phone number. After the submission of form, you will be able to log in into your brand new account of your Best Buy. Now you can check out the top deals and deal of the day and purchase from Best Buy. Wasn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.